वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ दिस एआई सीरीज। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रोल ऑफ एआई इन रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन। तो आइए हम देखते हैं इस स्लाइड से। रोल ऑफ एआई इन रोबोटिक्स is all about imbuing robots with the ability to perceive, reason, and act autonomously in complex environments. From industrial robots performing repetitive tasks on factory floors to autonomous drones navigating through urban landscapes, AI enables robots to adapt and respond to changing conditions with precision and efficiency. The key concepts in robotics AI. At the heart of robotic AI are a variety of key technologies. Computer vision algorithms enable robots to perceive and interpret their surroundings, while sensor fusion techniques integrate data from multiple sensors to create a comprehensive understanding of the environment. Planning and control algorithms then enable robots to make decisions and execute tasks with precision. Applications of AI in robotics. The applications of AI in robotics are vast and diverse. In manufacturing, robots equipped with AI can optimize production processes, improve quality control, and enhance worker safety. In healthcare, robotic assistants can aid in surgery, pa- patient care, and rehabilitation. And in exploration, autonomous robots can venture into hazardous environments to gather data and perform tasks beyond human capabilities. Of course, robotics and AI integration aren't without their challenges. Ensuring safety, reliability, and ethical consideration are paramount in the development and deployment of robotic systems. Additionally, advancing AI capabilities to enable robots to handle unstructured environments and collaborate effectively with humans remains a key focus of research and development. And there you have it, a glimpse into the dynamic intersection of AI and robotics, from revolutionizing manufacturing to enhancing healthcare and exploration. AI powered robots are transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, join us next time as we explore more fascinating applications of artificial intelligence. Till then, have a great day and happy coding.